The following tools will be needed for the wheelbarrow assembly: 2 half-inch wrenches, an adjustable wrench, and a large, slotted screwdriver. Please make note of the following instruction. This is very important. Only hand tighten nuts until the entire wheelbarrow has been assembled. This will allow the flexibility you will need during the assembly process. Step 1. Using a shorter bolt, shown here, bolt the 2 cross braces to the center of the undercarriage. Add a lock washer before screwing on the nut. Using the longer bolts, shown here, bolt the cross braces to the legs, adding lock washers before screwing on the nuts. Step 2. For the single wheel assembly, place the wheel in between the tabs, as shown. Slide the axle bolt through the wheel, then, on both sides, hand tighten the nuts. The wheelbarrow assembly for the single wheel and the double wheel are essentially the same, with the exception of the wheel assembly. The following will show the assembly procedure for the double wheel. For the double wheel assembly, slide the longer axle through the tabs, as shown. A spacer and a long washer are to be placed on the axle, outside the tabs, on both sides. Place each wheel on the axle before securing it with the self-locking nut. Be sure that the air stem and the greaser on each wheel faces toward the outside. Tighten the nuts to complete the double wheel assembly. Now that we have covered the 2-wheel assembly process, let's finish the rest of the wheelbarrow assembly. Step 3. Flip the undercarriage over so the wheelbarrow is upright. Step 4. Place the wheelbarrow tray onto the undercarriage. Step 5. Attach the wheelbarrow tray to the undercarriage by placing the smaller bolts into the 6 holes inside the tray. Add a lock washer before screwing on the nuts. Step 6. Please make note of the following. It is important. Using a wet towel, moisten the first handle and the inside of the handle grip. Push on and twist on, as shown. You might have to use some muscle here. Repeat this process for the second handle. Push on and twist on, as shown. Be sure to put the grip on all the way while it is wet, even if you have to give it some extra help. Step 7. You are almost there. It is now time to tighten all of the nuts. trust this assembly guide was helpful. Now, enjoy your wheelbarrow from Seymour, Midwest.